my name is Daniela and today I'm going to show you how to lay your edges. Okay, so the first thing that you will need is a toothbrush, a water bottle, what is this? Gel. There's like a little bit in the bottom. Yeah, okay, and you're gonna need some skill. Looking for my toothbrush. Okay, anyway, so once you make like a little swoop, you just take your brush right under the swoop, make another little swoop, bring it up, oops, and just use more water when you need it. But like, you have to hold it down. You have to use both of your hands, because if you don't, it won't stay in the place that you want it to be. You have to hold it down. Make sure you get the back with water and gel so it's not dry. Okay. But yeah. So the same on this side. Swoop it up. And then I just twist my hair a little bit, you know. But edges really make the difference, like seriously. You need a motherfucking hairline. I don't know what anybody is telling you, but that shit is important. That shit is important. So like too much water, my hair just wants to lift up and doesn't want to stay down. So I think I'm just gonna add some more gel and just put it back. Let's get back to the side. What I also try to do is just look if it's, you know, some of them. I need more hair. I need more baby hair. The side, girl, I don't know. Shit, it, like, I don't know, man. It's just a really simple look. You know, I'm not doing, we're not having like, it's not like a complicated look. Isn't anything over the top with too many swirls, very basic. Okay. that's how you achieve this really simple everyday look. Yes, thank you so much for watching.